Hi, Darren again from Equitas Property Spain. This is regards Spanish mortgages, not an easy landscape to navigate, but entirely doable. You know, now basically we help with mortgages. It can be a mortgage if it's not in our area. So if you're buying on the Costa del Sol, we can help with the mortgage and property. If you're not, we can help with the mortgage application. We've got some slick systems for paperwork and information that embrace the internet, which is not always the case in Spain. And you know, we can get approvals quite quickly from banks. We obviously charge for that service. If you buy a property from us, we don't charge. We'll do the mortgage application for free. If it's somewhere else in the country, we do charge, and it depends on how complex the application is and how much work, but that will always be transparent before we start. And pre-approvals are free. It's only thereafter to get a formal mortgage offer that it becomes, you know, that you need to pay basically. Now we get asked a lot about the fees involved in buying property in Spain. Now for Brits at the moment it's difficult to get 70%, but we can do it. It can be 60 in certain circumstances, 60%. So you need a 30 or 40% deposit for a non-resident, which means that, you know, on a 200 grand house, let's say that, for instance, that we could secure a 70% mortgage, you've got 60,000 euros that you need there. Now, one thing that we get asked even more is the costs of buying property in Spain. It breaks up into several different factors, the main part of which is the property transfer tax. But as a rule of thumb, what we would always tell clients is allow 13% of the value of the property. On a 200 grand mortgage, 26,000. Now that would include the property transfer taxes, the notary fees, lawyers fees, mortgage fees, everything basically, so that you've not got any shocks. So, you know, there's a lot of brokers out here that say the property transfer tax is X amount, 8%, and you only need that. But in reality, you don't need that. You need about 13% because you need a lawyer. You need to pay for the notary. So as a rule of thumb, if you allow 13% of the value of the property, then you know you're about there really. So let's say, for instance, then on a, I'm not insulting your intelligence by the way, but let's say on a 200 grand mortgage here, and you get 70%, you need 60k plus 26k or fees, so 86 grand. I've done another video that's on my channel regards 100% mortgages, which are very few and far between, and we have a few in our area, but they're very, very difficult to get. And they're only on certain properties, and when I say certain properties, I'd say about 20 on the Costa del Sol that we've got access to that get 100%. So basically a resale property, which is a property that somebody's selling, obviously, and you know, those are the figures that you're looking at. So we can help. We can help initially for free, as I've said. I'll leave a link in the description that you can book a call or a video meeting with, where we can discuss your requirements. We can help with property. We do card imports. We do residency, non-lucrative visas. We can provide legal assistance, and we don't get paid by lawyers that we recommend. We recommend them on merit rather than, you know, getting any kind of commission or anything like that. We just don't get one. So basically, we can handle the whole move from start to finish. So the property, the visas, the residency, help with setting up if you're going to become autonomous or you've got to work over here, lawyers, mortgages, everything. We can also If it's a particularly complicated application, maybe you've got a lot of buy-to-lets which they don't like in Spain, in the UK, or in Europe. You know, there's a lot of different factors, and the banks work very, very different over here, and it's a case-by-case basis. The best thing to do is jump on a call with us, and we can let you know if we can help. All right, thanks.